Hello everyone, my name is Mateusz Piekarek and I'm a researcher at Tyndall National Institute in Cork. I have been in Ireland for about a year now. As you can probably guess from my name, I am originally from Poland. I left when I was 18 and then spent 11 years in the UK. I studied electronics, then I decided to do a PhD in physics, and I have been working in science ever since. My current research is on optical switches for telecommunications. When you access the internet, your data is sent using light. The faster that light can be switched on and off, the faster your data can be transferred. In other words, I am working on ways to speed up the internet so that we can all watch Netflix in higher quality. Photonics is one of those areas that you do not necessarily realize that it is used pretty much everywhere. From mobile phones and computers all the way to food and agriculture, it is difficult to find an industry that does not use or benefit from photonics. What I like most about research is that I can do things that have not been done before. I can just come up with something, go to my lab, and just try it out. To a large extent, I am my own boss. I can decide how I spend my time and how I go about doing things. All that is expected from me is results. I very much like this independence and being able to pursue topics that I find interesting. Besides, if you are curious about the world, then working in science and technology can be very rewarding and exciting. You can see how what you do makes a difference, however small, and usually it is very small, but it is something. You can learn and understand the world around you. You meet great people from all around the world and have plenty of opportunity to travel or move abroad. Most importantly, and I cannot stress this enough, it gives you freedom to do what you want. If I have any advice, it is that when you decide what to do and what to study and where to work, pick that which you find genuinely interesting and exciting. You can only ever be good at things that you like doing. And it is never worth spending your life doing things that you are bad at.